fall. So we were trying to detect like what is his problem. We did gait analysis. We showed to neurologist also. Many people told that he has some brain issues. Like that's all. And we were not able to understand that it was hip until recently. 1 month back, one of the orthopedic said it is his hip problem. And then that's how he suggested replacement. And when the matter came to replacement, then we said no, then we'll show to Shailendra Patil only. It was that way. So the problem with him main is he cannot walk at all. Like when he walks,
Either I'll be running or I'll be falling.
you just feel that he will just fall now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we completely can't walk.
He's just like he walks, but he keeps wobbling, and the person who's looking at him will feel that he will just fall now.
By tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow is operation. Day after, doctor said he will make me stand up and walk and come to his room.
The main issue he was having is washroom. Doctor said next day you will be able to go to washroom on your own. Don't worry. Yes, we also hope.
Name is Sanjeev Jain. I was operated on the hip. I come from New Bombay. I know Dr. Shailendra from couple of years now, and after the operation I'm very happy. It's only 6 weeks that I've been operated, and the operation is successful. The hip replacement is successful. I find very good and comfortable by walking.
My name is Nidhi. I'm Sanjeev's sister. So earlier, almost from 10 years, he had this issue in walking. And then we kept telling him that we have to show to some good doctor. We realized my mom, who was operated 4 years back, Dr. Shailendra had done, and she was successful. So we decided that we will show him to Dr. Shailendra only. He had suggested to do an hip replacement because he had severe deformity. It was more than my mother's both knees. And then now today it is 6 weeks. I remember the day when he got operated, and when we took him home after 6 days, we had taken him on a stretcher because I took him to Pune from Mulund directly. And directly he was on walker. He could barely walk few steps. But we slowly saw the progress, week by week the progress. It progresses every week. That's what we saw, we need to have patience. First on walker, he became confident on walker. First week was very tough. Every 2 hours he was getting up, and we had to take him, like we had to give him pot for doing to toilet also. So it was becoming very tough at nights. Every 2 hours my sister who helped us, my mother, we three, and we had a maid. So then after that, after 10 days he improved. Then he did not started getting up at night. That was the improvement we saw. Then slowly on his own he started going on walker to the washroom also. Then we didn't have to get up at night. So this is slowly, and only physiotherapy helps. Yes, and then we were worried about the implant. Nothing should happen. So we were taking little care. But now when we have come after 6 weeks, doctor has taken the X-ray. He has told everything is fine. and we have to be more aggressive in physiotherapy. He has to be little more confidence. He is little worried because it was 10 years since the deformity and he was not walking properly. So now we are happy. Like, yes, doctor has told you can leave him free, you can take him out for shopping at least twice a week, and that will give him more confidence. So we are also happy and confident today. डॉक्टर शैलेंद्र के बारे में जितना भी बोले कम है, बिकॉज मेरी मम्मी को 70 इयर्स में ऑपरेट किया था, दोनों नी एक साथ किया था, और आज वो पेन फ्री लाइफ जी रही हैं. तो वो तो हम तो सबको वही रिकमेंड करते हैं. हमको भी एक फ्रेंड ने रिकमेंड किया था, इसीलिए हमने जैसे ही डॉक्टर ने मुझे एक शॉट में बोला था कि निधि इसका हिप रिप्लेस करना है, मैंने किसी सेकंड डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट भी नहीं किया. आई टोल्ड हिम डॉक्टर वी ट्रस्ट यू एंड यू डू वट एवर यू लाइक. तो डॉक्टर इज़ लाइक हमारे लिए तो एकदम भगवान जैसे है. मम्मी को ठीक कर दिया, अभी मेरे भाई भी हम देख रहे हैं उसी राह पे चल रहा है. तो उसके लिए लाइक शैलेंद्र पाटिल आई नो ही. अभी मैं पूना में एक मेरे कोलीग से बात कर रही थी कि मेरे भाई का ऑपरेशन मुलुंड में हुआ है, तो उसने कहा डॉक्टर पाटिल, मैंने बोला हाँ, बोलता है हाँ बहुत नाम है उनका. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के कि हमने मतलब इतने माने जाने डॉक्टर से भी ट्रीटमेंट कराया है. सो वी आर सेटिस्फाइड विद हिज ट्रीटमेंट. थैंक यू.
I mean, there is a saying, simply the best. But Dr. Shailendra Patil is better than the best. After my operation, I didn't find any pain in the hip or anywhere. Medicines were quite good, not very heavy doses, but normal dosages, and it's quite good. Now I'm able to walk properly because of his operation. And I would say, as I told you, simply the best, better than the best. Thank you.